Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the basics of using Asana for project management. Whether you're organizing tasks, setting deadlines, or managing team projects, this beginner-friendly tutorial will help you get started. Let's jump in. Create a workspace or join a team. Start by signing up for an account on Asana. Set up your workspace or join an existing team to begin organizing your projects. Workspaces are perfect for individuals or small teams, while organizations are better for larger groups. Set up a new project. Click on the + button to create a new project. Choose between list, board, or timeline views based on your preferred workflow. Give your project a name and description to keep everything clear. Add tasks and assign responsibilities. Break your project into smaller tasks. For each task, add details like descriptions, due dates, and attachments. Assign tasks to team members to ensure accountability. Utilize sections and tags. Organize tasks into sections to group related items or use tags for quick filtering. This helps you maintain a clear overview of the project's progress. Track progress with views and reports. Asana offers multiple views like calendars, timelines, and progress dashboards to monitor your team's workflow. Use these tools to keep projects on track and identify bottlenecks early. With Asana, you can streamline project management and enhance team collaboration effortlessly. Have you tried using Asana for your projects? Share your experiences in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. See you in the next one.